cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline bling, that could only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that could only mean one thing. 'Cause ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. 'Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I'd never seen before. 'Cause ever since I left the city.
Memphis in June, a shady veranda under a Sunday blue sky. Sunday blue sky. Sunday blue sky. A shady veranda. Sunday a shady veranda. Sunday blue sky. Sunday blue sky. A shady veranda. Memphis in June. A shady veranda under a Sunday blue sky.
Good morning, Pete. Did you sleep well? Did you wake up feeling good? Myself 10 years from now. That's so far away it's almost impossible to imagine. Am I alone or is there a wonderful person next to me?
I'm gonna get super lit. Only way to get over it. Now that you done me dirty, yeah. I gotta get super lit. I'm gonna get super lit. Super lit. Only way to get over it. Over it. Now that you done me dirty, yeah. I gotta get super lit. I'm getting super lit on the way to my job that I used to pay the bills from my car. That got me the girl that dumped me last month, and I'm stuck paying her family plan off. Hold the phone right there, just a minute, man. You know you can change shit around in a minute, man. Even though you pushing around in that minivan, when you getting home, you know you're gonna get super lit like you ain't never did before. I'm talking Netflix and Nutella on the kitchen floor, and I feel like I got a little love luck and everything is cool until the sun come up. And then it's back to reality, the same old tragedies. Back to my old ways, like please don't be mad at me. You know it's just a habit when I hit traffic. Even bad news got me laughing.
I'm gonna get super lit, super lit. Only way to get over it, over it. Now that you done me dirty, yeah. I gotta get super lit.
It's super lit that you did what you did to me. Cause after what you did to me, I don't gotta pretend to pay.
Super lit.
I could be whatever I want, with whoever I want, do anything that I want when I'm
super lit.
Breaking down Doritos on my mac and cheese, in the kitchen whipping Martha recipes. And wait, negative
lit.
energy will never get the best of me, and you'll never get the rest of me. Now I'm
super lit. We gonna get super, super lit. We gonna get over it. Now that you done me dirty, now that you done me dirty, now that you done me dirty.
Come on. Let's all get super lit. Hey, we're gonna get super, super lit. Hey, so we can get over it. So we can get stupid, super lit. Again and again and again.
Pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. Just think of all the happy times we'll have and smile, yeah, that's the style. What's the use of worrying? It never was worthwhile. So pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. Pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. Just think of all the happy times we'll have and smile, yeah, that's the style. What's the use of worrying? It never was worthwhile. So pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. Pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. Just think of all the happy times we'll have and smile, yeah, that's the style. What's the use of worrying? It never was worthwhile. So pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. Pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. Just think of all the happy times we'll have and smile, yeah, that's the style. What's the use of worrying? It never was worthwhile. So pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. Pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile. Just think of all the happy times we'll have and smile, yeah, that's the style. What's the use of worrying? It never was worthwhile. So pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile, smile, smile.
Thank